Hi guys, Richard Shepherd here from Skrumpt. Thank you so much for downloading the Commercial Valuations Toolbar. What I'm going to do here is just to give you the installation instructions on Chrome for a Mac. Okay, so basically you would have received an email, you would have clicked on the link in that email and you'd have downloaded this file, which I want you to save somewhere on your Mac where you can find it in the future. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go up to the three dots on the top right hand side. We're going to come down to settings. We're then going to go to extensions. Okay. Now, very important, what we need to do is just to make sure developer mode is on. Okay. So if it's on the top left hand side, you can see three buttons. Now, what we want to click on is load unpacked. Okay. We're then going to click on downloads or wherever it is on your computer. On this computer, we're going to click on CVT Chrome, which is Commercial Valuation Toolbar Chrome. We're going to click on Select, and hey presto, that would have installed the Commercial Valuations Toolbar on your Mac. Okay, so we're just going to come out of here. We're going to come out of here. I'm just going to get rid of that message for now. And we're going to click on this jigsaw puzzle. We should be able to see Commercial Valuations Toolbar, so we're going to click on that. It opens up this dialog box where it's looking for our postcode. So for the postcode, I'm just going to type in N111GN. I'm then going to click on search, and hey presto, that opens up 12 tabs all across the top of your Chrome browser in relation to the postcode that you have just typed in, allowing you to value those properties instantly. Okay, this is Richard Shepherd from Skrumpt. I hope you use this tool well, and I hope it gets you lots of property deals. Thank you very much.